Hi guys, this is Ron from Ron's Keto Café, and if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps the channel. Well, today I wanted to talk about a topic, and a very important topic. It's called believe. Believe in yourself and your confidence that you can accomplish anything that you want to accomplish in life. And I've certainly accomplished everything that I set my mind to it, and then some. And I've always gotten everything I've asked for from God Almighty and Jesus. And so, I believe, and I would encourage you guys to believe in your faith, even if you don't believe in God like I do. But be that as it may, believe in your own ability that you can lose weight and you can accomplish anything that you want to accomplish in life. And, today it's July 2nd. I'm at one of my favorite hiking places. I come here at least 2 or 3 times a week. This is called the Doyle Park and Center, or the Doyle Estate as I reference it. And I've already got 8 miles of walking in for the month, and it's only the 2nd of July. The agenda this month is to push out 100 miles, and we're going to achieve that goal. Now, as most of you know, my wife has a lot of issues with her kidneys, and so yesterday when I was at the hospital with her, they told her she needs to go back there Wednesday and Friday this week for 2 more shots, and then 2 more shots next week, and then a usual shot the following week. So, it is what it is, guys. I just, I just take them one day at a time with this, and just thankful I have done it as long as I have, and they just don't know anymore. So I'm getting out there. What I'm trying to do is just focus on you guys and my walk and myself and my health, and pray to God every day that it's easy for her, because she's going through hell right now. And I just I don't really know anymore, one day to the next. But you can see, like, I'm all sweaty, and I feel really good today. I left the house this morning at 7:30 this morning, and I came back about 10:30, 11 o'clock. And I did 3.5 miles this morning, and now I'm getting to 2 more miles. So that'll bring the total up to 9, maybe 10 miles already for the month, and it's only the 2nd day of the month. Now tomorrow I have to go bring it back over for another appointment, and then Thursday is the 4th of July. The 4th of July I'm going to cover the parade. So I'll probably get about 2 miles in the morning there, and maybe another couple miles in the afternoon. I'll probably go out walking late at night sometime somewhere. Maybe I'll just go around the city and do a little city walking. But it's been absolutely a nightmare with me and Don right now. When I go home, I don't know if I want to find her on the floor or anything like that. And I'm just trying to keep the positive attitude about everything. And just pray. That's all I'm doing right now, is just pray. And I know she's going to get better. I just want her to be back to her old self. I want her to, stop feeling like she's a damn pincushion, because every time she goes to the hospital, it's to, blood work or blood shots, and shots. And, we're really going through tough times right now. And so the hospital called up twice today and wanted to check on her well-being and then make sure she was okay. And, follow up from the emergency room visit Sunday, and the other one from Friday this past week. And everybody's been terrific, and but you can only do so much for one person. And what stinks about it too is the co-payments. Every time I go down there, it's a co-payment. So they've already slapped me with $480 in co-payments this month. I can't pay that, and I'm not going to pay it. I don't care, whatever, but it is what it is, So I want to encourage you guys, just believe in yourself, believe in your faith, and get out there and get moving. I know it's hot outside this time of year. Just prepare for it. Drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated, and be cool. But isn't it cool behind me over here? A nice willow tree. Those people that might live in Texas don't get a chance to see all this stuff. The ones that live out in the West. I mean, I want to go visit that area at some point in my life right now, but, wait for my wife to get better, and hopefully we can travel together. And I've been wanting to go visit my sister in South Carolina, but right now, I can't. My cousin Diane, she has to go to Tennessee there to take care of some business when her brother passed away, my cousin. I'd love to be able to go down there and help her with that, but, I got to be home for Donna in case she needs me. But every time I go out, are you okay if I go out? You know, then I'm when I go out, I'm right about her. When I come home, you know, and I sound like a broken record, I know, but I don't know, guys. You got any suggestions for me? Let me know. But just all I can do is just keep a good attitude about it and believe is everything's going to get better. And that's what today's video is about, believe. And then I'm going to be posting another motivational video. I went walking. I'm walking the distance this month, and I'm going to get that 100 miles in this month. I have no doubt in my ability. So yeah, so when we were here Saturday, we saw a couple of deer. I took some video of it. One of them came right up to me. And they're not afraid of people, but over here I seen a chipmunk come flying by me on a tape on the platform over here. And this place is absolutely beautiful. I'm sitting over here by the frog pond. You can hear frogs chirping in the water. And yeah, funny because I went walking this morning and I came across a toad there while I was walking. I took a photograph of the frog, and then he jumped about 5 feet away from me. It was pretty cool. I was just glad I didn't step on him. But yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Just remember, today's topic is believe in yourself that you can and you will do this. You will lose weight, and just take it slow and easy with the weight, guys. Slow and steady wins the race. And I'm still down a significant amount of weight, 110 pounds, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. I feel fantastic. My lymphedema is all gone. My eczema is all gone. I'm doing carnivore / beef and butter fast this week, and some keto meals. And I got to make some chapel recipes, and I'm making an ice cream video for you guys for later. And I might even go live tomorrow night there, but we'll see how I feel, and if Don is okay with it. But anyways, talk to you guys later. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And oh, by the way, I wanted to tell you something, most important thing. If anybody hasn't told you this, you guys are amazing. Love you guys.